Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Gravin Cars. Today we're reviewing a modern classic that's making a bold return, the Chevrolet Chevy C10 2025. Blending nostalgic styling with cutting-edge performance and technology, the all-new C10 is a tribute to one of the most iconic pickup trucks in American history, now reimagined for the modern era. From the outside, the 2025 Chevy C10 is a stunner. It proudly pays homage to the original C10 models of the 60s and 70s, featuring a retro-inspired boxy silhouette, wide stance, and bold lines. You'll notice classic design cues like the horizontal front grille, square LED headlights, and chrome accents that scream vintage charm. But make no mistake, this is a modern machine. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, sitting on large 20 to 22-inch wheels with modern finishes, and available in vibrant two-tone paint options that honor its heritage. Whether it's cruising the boulevard or parked at a car meet, the C10 demands attention. Step inside and you'll find a perfect balance between retro flair and contemporary comfort. The cabin is designed to reflect the spirit of the original, with classic color trims and stitched leather, but modernized with a large digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium Bose sound system, and wireless charging come standard in higher trims. It's stylish, comfortable, and well-equipped without losing its old-school soul. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevy C10 offers impressive performance options. You can choose between a 5.3-liter V8 engine producing around 355 horsepower or a more powerful 6.2-liter V8 pushing 420 horsepower. Both are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission and offer a smooth yet responsive driving experience. There's even talk of a fully electric version in development, which would make the C10 future-ready while preserving its retro charm. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available for those looking for extra traction and versatility. In terms of safety, Chevrolet has packed the C10 with the latest features. You get forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. These modern safety systems ensure you stay protected whether you're cruising around town or hitting the highway. It's a classic truck with 21st century confidence. What really sets the 2025 C10 apart is its unique blend of heritage and innovation. It's not just a pickup, it's a cultural icon reborn. Designed for enthusiasts who want the look of a classic truck without sacrificing modern comforts and reliability, the C10 is a rare blend of style, power, and emotional appeal. Whether you're into custom builds, weekend cruising, or daily driving, the C10 offers something genuinely unique. Pricing for the new Chevy C10 starts around $55,000 and can go up to $75,000 depending on the engine choice and trim level. While it's more expensive than a standard truck, it offers a nostalgic design, performance capability, and exclusivity that are hard to find in today's market. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Chevy C10 2025 is a dream come true for truck lovers and retro fans alike. It's bold, stylish, powerful, and packed with all the tech and safety you need. A perfect mix of the past and the future, brought to you today. That's all from Gravin Cars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. See you next time.